welcome to QTS Tech Bytes. This is our second part of our axis nomenclature on machine tool axes for a typical 3-axis machine. Last time we talked about the 3 linear axes, X, Y, and Z, and the rotational axis that rotates around each axis, like a typical spindle would rotate around the Z axis. We'd have C rotating around Z, we'd have A rotating around X, and B rotating around Y. Now, what are the positive and negative signs of these axis rotations? Let's talk about that for a moment. If you have the Z-axis here, and we're going from a central focal point of our home position, let's say, or a origin position, and we move Z in the positive direction, and if I take my little linear axis, if I call this Z-axis, and I wrap my hand around here with the positive direction as my thumb is going, and I rotate this way with my fingers, that will be plus. The rotational axis will be in the plus direction here. So this direction, or counterclockwise, would be in the plus direction. Now, if I have a rotary axis attached to my x-axis table, and I'm moving in the plus direction of x this way, we'll designate this as plus, and if I'm rotating my hand around the x-axis as plus goes this direction with my thumb, then this direction would be plus for A. And the same thing with B. If I have a B-axis rotary table on the y-axis and I rotate around the y-axis, I'm rotating this direction with my finger in the plus direction as y goes plus this way. Now I am plus in my B direction. This axis designation for rotaries is also considered to be roll. So when axes rotate around each linear axis, we call that roll. And so we have 3 linear axes. So we have possibility of 3 roll errors. That about covers it for right now, guys. Thanks for watching QTS Tech Bytes. We'll be covering more of this topic later on in our next presentation. Stay tuned for more from QTS Tech Bytes. This is Laser Mike saying, have a good day.